Edge 1030 lets you tap into advanced performance metrics to gauge your training effectiveness and see where you can improve. Collect data while you ride with a compatible Garmin power meter and heart rate monitor. Then review your metrics by tapping My Stats on your Edge home screen. See your current VO2 max, training status, training effect, recovery time, and more. VO2 max describes the maximum rate you can bring oxygen into your body. The higher your VO2 max, the higher your performance capacity. And training load measures the volume of your training from the last 7 days, so you can know if you're doing too much, too little, or just the right amount. Training status tracks changes to your VO2 max based on your training load, which shows the effectiveness of your training, so you know if you're peaking or overreaching. You can also view your recovery time, or how many hours before you're back near 100% and capable of another hard ride. With your Garmin power meters, Edge 1030 can also detect your functional threshold power, or FTP. FTP represents the maximum power output you can sustain for 1 hour, informs the basis for your personalized power zones, and for most power-based training plans. By gathering heart rate data across a range of power outputs, the device will estimate your threshold in terms of power output. Edge 1030 also shows your FTP in relation to your weight as a watts per kilogram value and displays it on an easy-to-read rainbow gauge, so you can see how you compare to other riders of different sizes. You can also access the stress score on your stats page. This is a standing test done away from the bike that analyzes your heart rate variability. The resulting score, a number from 0 to 100, will help you assess what level or intensity of ride you are ready for. A lower number indicates a lower stress state. Get the most accurate results by taking this test around the same time every day. Keeping an eye on these physiological measurements gives you insights into your training and how it affects your body's ability to perform. For more information, visit garmin.com/cyclingdynamics. That's all for now. To learn more about riding with Edge 1030, make sure to watch the other videos in this series.
When finish times are measured in fractions of a second, no advantage is too small. With ELEMNT Bolt, Wahoo developed the first integrated computer and mount system, delivering a bike computer designed to help defy the forces that slow you down. And now an even more powerful Bolt, set to push the limits once again. From staying on pace, to staying on course, to staying out front, to staying in contact. The new ELEMNT Bolt keeps you focused on what matters most: your performance.
Select Edge bike computers offer mountain biking navigation tools and metrics that let you track every epic jump and heart racing run. Mountain bike models come preloaded with data from trail forks built right into the Garmin Cycle map. That includes detailed maps of trails from more than 80 countries, complete with trail ratings. You'll be able to view the trails in detail right on your Edge device without having to reach for your smartphone. Using this data, Edge helps you find the best trails suited to your skill level. Want to import rides you planned on trail forks? Use the preloaded TrailForks Connect IQ app and you can sync them right to your Edge. Once selected, the trail will be downloaded to your courses list. You can find them later in your saved courses. When you stop mid-ride, Fork Sight mode automatically displays upcoming forks in the trail and gives you context by showing where you are within a trail network. While you ride, your Edge will capture mountain bike-specific metrics that you can view in-ride or later in the activity summary. For example, after you ride, you'll be able to see your jump count, plus distance, and hang time for each jump. Your Edge can even generate a score for each jump based on those measurements. After your ride, you'll be able to view a chart of your jump data in Garmin Connect. It will also show the location of each jump on the activity map trail. And Garmin-only metrics called Grit and Flow give you even more insight. Grit measures a ride's difficulty based on elevation, gradient, and rapid changes in direction. This provides a consistent metric that helps compare the difficulty of one ride to another. The higher the number, the tougher the ride. Flow is designed to help you improve by measuring your fluidity as you move through the ride, as well as places where you break the momentum of the ride. It takes into account factors such as your speed consistency and smoothness through turns. A lower number means a better flow. Next time you ride that trail, you'll have a number to beat. You can see your grit and flow on in-ride data fields, on the lap summary screen, and at the end of the ride in the activity summary. After you sync with Garmin Connect, you can analyze grit and flow in more detail with charts and color-coded track logs on the map that show your scores and highlight key points throughout the ride. That's it for now. Thanks for watching.
The lightweight Mini GPS is the smallest cycling GPS computer in the world. It weighs only 30 grams and is housed in an elegant, machined aluminum bezel. The compact design contains a custom-engineered GPS recording system, which stores up to 100 hours of accurate cycling data. Its screen is optimized for clear visibility, even under bright sunlight, by using an ultra-sharp, high-resolution display. And it features an optional backlight for low-light situations. The Mini GPS attaches to our extra secure X-Lock mount by pressing down at a 45-degree angle and clicking into place. While outside, turn on the device and briefly wait for a GPS signal. A menu can be accessed for a more personalized experience. You can select your time zone, change from 2, 3, or 4 data lines, and choose between kilometers or miles. Once your Mini GPS is configured to your liking, simply press start and enjoy up to 10 hours of riding on a full charge. At the end of your ride, stop and save your recorded data. When ready to upload, simply plug the device into a computer with the included micro USB cable. No additional software is needed to access the Mini GPS. Open a web browser and go to www.lezyne.com/GPS route. A free account can be easily created in our intuitive online interface. From the dashboard, click the upload button in the top right corner. Then, click Choose Files, select the .fit file or files you want to add, and click Upload again. Your ride will now be mapped and available for further analysis. Additionally, the .fit files are compatible with other popular cycling and training databases.
Introducing the new Bryton Rider 750 GPS cycle computer. The device features an upgraded user interface, powerful on-device mapping with preloaded OpenStreetMaps and voice search powered by Google. Designed with a 2.8-inch color touchscreen, the Rider 750 boasts excellent clarity at any time or condition. With support for up to 3 easy-to-switch bike profiles, the Rider 750 allows for simple setup and personalisation for any type of cycling style or configuration. After initial pairing, the device will make use of the collective sensor pool to automatically find any which are in use. Additionally, using the Bryton Active app, sensor names can be customised for easy recognition. When paired to a smartphone with a stable internet connection, the Rider 750 allows multi-language on-device voice search, eliminating the need to use on-screen keyboards. The device can also display turn-by-turn route guidance, including distance and directional information. And when riding off course, it will automatically reroute the rider to get back on track. With connection to an e-bike using Shimano steps, the Rider 750 can now display a plethora of data, including assist mode, assist level shifting mode, e-bike battery travel range, and rear gear position. The device introduces a whole host of new safety features with ANT+ radar support. As the companion of the Rider 750, the Bryton Active app is the gateway to Bryton Active account access and allows for full device control from the app. This device includes a new range of ANT+ Smart Trainer features such as Virtual Ride and Smart Workout. Smart trainers can be controlled directly from the device, with the ability to customise the trainer's resistance to get a desired target power. Customised plans can also be created from the Bryton Active app or imported from Training Peaks. I'm Tom Chapman from Team Bridgelane. I hope you enjoy your Bryton Rider 750.